doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. Today's video takes place in our Barbie Style inspired rooms. Does today's video have anything to do with Barbie Style? Probably not, because I just want to take a look at a bunch of random stuff, like mail. This doll was gifted to us by Ella Superstarr Official on Instagram. Dearest Toya, here is a present for you, your very first Lulu LeGrand doll. She's sent to you with love from the Ella Superstarr family. According to the website, this is an international doll company out of Switzerland. It's a limited doll. This doll is from the Extravaganza collection. There are a couple of different characters. I believe they have different release dates. Today, we are taking a look at the character Lulu LeGrand. Sorry if I am pronouncing that wrong. I looked it up and I tried my best. There is some information on the back of the box. We have a small little story letting us know that Lulu is an heiress of a luxury department store in Paris, France. She is a famous designer and has a successful fashion brand. I have seen a retail price of 199 Australian dollars. At today's exchange rate, that's about 134 US dollars. We have a certificate of authenticity, a satin bag, and a doll. This doll stands a little over 11 inches tall, has long red hair, it's very soft, long rooted eyelashes, gold eyeshadow, red lipstick, and comes dressed in a blue jacket with a blue ribbon around the waist with a gold-colored buckle. It closes with hooks in the front. Underneath, the doll wears a blue lace top that velcros in the back, paired with a tulle skirt with ruffles. The ruffles continue around the back. She wears blue shoes and comes with a shiny sewn fabric bag. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. The body of the jacket is lined on the inside, and she has blue painted nails. It's always fun to see new fashion dolls and older ones. I am walking around my local antique mall looking for some dolls. I see some Barbies, more Barbies, and that's Ariel right there. What else is in here? Ooh, loving the Barbie Christmas ornaments. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Ooh, check you out. There's a Marilyn Monroe doll, some holiday dolls, lots and lots of pretty dresses. Most of these dolls are like $20. Check out this 40th anniversary Barbie. She comes with flowers, a dress, and a tiny little Barbie. I just spotted the Mary-Kate and Ashley dolls. The set for $40. I've seen a lot of really cool customs with those. Ooh, Moxie girls. It's been a long time. And I see Moxie teens. That's pretty cool. My Scene. They have a My Scene guy. I totally want to get something today, but what? I picked up the 40th anniversary Barbie for under $20. So this doll must have came out in 1999? I know I should leave it in the box, but we just don't do that around here. Whoa, talk about product. I can't even get the string out. Look at the detail. This doll has metal earrings, at least I think they're metal, a long black mermaid dress with layers, glitter stripes at the chest, black gloves. Her legs are wrapped in paper to prevent staining, but it looks like we're getting some stockings and some black shoes. Those might have warped over the years. She comes with a bouquet of flowers with a card that says Happy Anniversary and a tiny recreation of the original 1959 Barbie. We can take her out and everything. And there's a tiny little book in there. Come on, Super Impulse, remake this doll. And I'm gonna go try this on. Since Barbie's proportions have changed over the years, it is a little large in the chest, but we might be able to use this for a fancy occasion. I also picked up this Snow White holiday doll for $14. This doll was made by Mattel. I believe this doll came out in 1998. This box has been opened, but I'm really just here for the clothes anyway. Oh wow, it comes with a Barbie brush. My made-to-move Barbie cannot fit the shoes, but we get a little bunny ornament. I can remove the scarf, and then we just have a bunny. All the tape and rubber bands have completely disintegrated. Yeah, they're yucky. But the doll and dress look like they're in pretty good shape. We have lace around the collar, a pearl necklace that is taped to the back of the neck, a blue velvet top, pearl buttons, a gold cape, a white faux fur muff with gold ribbons that hang down the dress. Oh wow, the doll comes with underwear and a separate can-can. The undies are compatible, and here's the dress on a made-to-move body. The sleeves are pretty narrow, so I had to use a doll with closed hands, but overall, not bad. Stylishly Tiny sent me a gift. Stylishly Tiny on Instagram and stylishlytiny.com. I love presents. And look, that's me. Check this out. Custom tissue paper and everything. Definitely getting points for the packaging. Here is a miniature notepad, handmade with love. Aww, I can write little tiny notes. And you know me, I'm going to place it on my doll's desk. Here's a little pumpkin patch sign. This looks like really cute wall decor for the dollhouse. Here is one for the holidays. Farm fresh Christmas trees, cut and carry. This is super cute. Oh, but I love this. It's a rainbow with a heart. That would be so cute in a nursery. This is a stack of bound books with a tassel. It says, "Love grows here." That's pretty cute. It's made of wood. Also, going on the desk. I love how talented the doll community is. Ooh, more stuff for the desk. Little scissors that actually move. How awesome is that? A post-it notepad with paper and pencils. Look at how shiny that is. Crayola washable marker earrings. Totally gonna wear these. We have candles, a tape dispenser. I am in love. Is that real tape? It is! This is going to go perfect with one of my recent Amazon purchases. I bought this 12-piece set of iridescent risers. We're taking a quick detour. I thought these could be used as coffee tables for the dolls. Looks like we have a couple of different sizes here. It was $24, $27, and we have 3 different sizes. This one right here might work pretty good. It's kind of low. Let's go with the taller one. Yeah, that'll work. Let's peel off the protective coating. There is one on the inside as well. And yeah, we have a fancy little coffee table there. That matches my new tape dispenser. And a ruler. Okay, I need more of this, please. We also have a decorative mirror, more wall decor, and a doormat. That looks great. And I think the letters are actually like indented a little bit. That's a nice sized doormat. You know what? Those dolls better wipe their feet before stepping on my doormat. That's all I gotta say. Oh, cool. Is that a little desk organizer? I hope so, because that's what I'm using it for. Oh wait, here is a desk organizer. Look at that design on the front. That is pretty cool. It even comes with a little spiral notebook with real pages and 2 folders. Look at my dolls being all organized. Lots of little fun miniatures. I just saw Black Panther Wakanda Forever in theaters, and I am totally obsessed with Shuri again. When the first movie came out, I turned Princess Tiana into a custom Shuri. But now, Shuri has a whole new hairstyle. It's not a spoiler, you can see it in the previews. And then I was like, where have I seen that look on a doll before? What was that? You like my outfit, you said. Why, thank you. It was a gift from Elite Doll World Etsy shop. Yes, I'm obsessed. But anyway, back to Black Panther. I know I've seen a Barbie fashionista with curly hair on top and shaved sides. Let me call a friend. Hey, which Barbie fashionista was it that had the curly hair on top and the shaved sides? Number 128? Oh yeah, that's right. I have that doll in a box. Yeah, we could totally use this fashionista to make a Shuri-inspired doll. We have the curly hair that is short on the sides. Now she needs a made-to-move body. This made-to-move Barbie looks like a good match. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Place the doll in a plastic bag. Place it in hot water until it softens and can be easily removed. Apply the new head to the body to make our doll made to move. Let's dress her in a black Barbie look skirt and a Barbie style top. I think it's supposed to be a dress, but I don't have one, so this will have to do. I take gold colored wire and I'm just gonna bend it to make a circle shape with 2 lines coming down. Trim off the excess wire, place it around the doll's neck. I add black map pins for earrings for a quick Shuri-inspired look. Based off one of the movie posters, it's not a spoiler. My Etsy order just arrived from Mia's Munchables. This is the Christmas 2022 treat set. It has 9 pieces and it was priced at $36.50. Here we have a donut with red and green icing. Here's a chocolate donut with white, red, and green icing. A little Christmas tree cookie. 2 little gingerbread people. Another tree cookie. And another one. We have cupcakes and tiny little mugs filled with hot cocoa and marshmallows. And a little mint on the side. I guess it's time to restock Caroline's coffee shop. My Mia's Munchables collection is growing. So today we took a look at some new dolls, went thrifting for some, made an inspired custom doll, and checked out a few accessories. You know, random doll stuff. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.